ambulance 25, engine 4, engine 26, truck 25 and 203. There's a fire showing. That please is 25-2, truck 25, 731 Hatfield, 731 Hatfield.
31 Hatfield. Central, truck 25's on the scene. We got fire showing from the rear of the building. Let's bump this up to a code 4.
Truck 24.
Buffalo Grove Fire Department responded to a townhouse fire at about 7 o'clock this morning. When the first arriving units got on the scene, we had heavy fire involving the first and second floors of the unit behind us. In today's fire, MobileComm arrived on the scene. It provided us with our wireless network back to our system in the village. And what we've been able to do is access information on this occupancy through water billing records and our central database that we have, CENA. And through that, we can start to put together whether or not the residents are home, contact information. We know at this point in time that the building was vacant.
The features of MobileComm puts a camera up in the air about 53 feet to help the incident commander assess the situation of the working fire while it's happening.
What we have here is a roof shot of the fire building. This is being sent back to the fire department command vehicle over our hardwired umbilical. We're also sending that same video picture back to the village network over the wireless bridge connected back to Village Hall. So anybody on a browser can pull up this same video using Internet Explorer and connecting to our video server. And then our third connection is the squad cars that are all around here are all connected to an access point that's inside this cabinet. We've got a couple of omnidirectional antennas on the back of the rig here. That allows all the police and other frontline vehicles to connect in, have access to this video, as well as access to the village network from this location. So essentially what we've done is created a hotspot, a mobile hotspot.
The village of Buffalo Grove consists of two major sections to their network. The first piece is the campus environment, which consists of the police department, the village hall, public works. Those buildings are connected via high-speed fiber optics. The outlying buildings, the 3 fire stations, as well as some golf course maintenance facilities, are connected via the Cisco Aeronet bridges.
Under the guidance of RMS, the village was able to implement a few of the building blocks of Avid. They're on their way to a true integrated infrastructure with voice, video, and integrated data. They're currently using video surveillance. They're using security and wireless. They are also using voice over IP in the case of the mobile communications center, which leads them into the future once their PBX is replaceable to move into IP telephony.
We have a police department and a fire department which is very dependent on technology. The systems need to be up 7 days a week, 24 hours a day because that's when they're working. So reliability is very, very important to us to make sure that they always have access to the data that they need. A replication center is an access point that's placed in a window which allows us to put notebook computers out in the squad cars, fire trucks, or frontline municipal vehicles. They can then send data out to the frontline vehicles. So now what we've created is an office outside.
We can spend more time on the street because now we don't have to go back to the police station to document and write our reports. It's all done from the cars, and it keeps the officers on the street all day versus having to go back to the station to write a report, type a report, or submit a report. It's all done from your car.
I think Buffalo Grove is a more secure community as a result of technology. For example, recently there have been concerns about security and safety of our water supply throughout the country. That's probably related to 9/11. We have installed wireless video capabilities at all of our water treatment areas. We also have alarms there. And in the event an alarm is sounded, we can instantaneously take a look at what's happening at that water treatment facility and send the appropriate response.
When selling solutions to municipal governments, it's very important to focus on the solution and not the technology. Implementing technology for the sake of technology isn't going to do them any good. They have problems they have to solve just like other businesses. You have to address those problems in your proposals and in your solutions.
Strategically, seeding an account with a wireless access point or getting them to begin a wireless WAN project is really important. The residual revenue that you get from wireless is really expanded upon once the customer sees the benefits of the wireless access points or the wireless WAN. In the case of the Village of Buffalo Grove, it allows them to connect other entities that are outside the village, such as the school districts as well as the park district facilities, and be able to create an entire network that encompasses all the government entities within the village. The wireless technology is very complementary when trying to sell a school or government other products. Once they understand the Avid architecture and how wireless fits into that Avid architecture, they start understanding our complete solution. So it allows you to more easily and more readily talk about other products such as switches, routers, and IP telephony